Most people think AI is just for fun, but what if I tell you there's a platform where you can create AI influencers and actually get paid for it? Not by brands, not by sponsors, but directly by the platform itself. So today I am going to show you Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and how creators are earning with it. So right now, AI content is exploding. Reels, shorts, AI characters, digital personals. But the problem is, most platforms don't pay beginners. You need followers, you need reach, you need luck. Higgsfield flips that model. You create AI influencer style content, upload it, and Higgsfield will pay you. So, Higgsfield is the fastest growing Gen AI company with a clear vision to become the most creator friendly platform in the world. They recently launched two powerful products, especially for creators. First one is AI Influencer Studio, and second one is Higgsfield Earn. And together they create a complete Earn with AI ecosystem. So let's start with AI Influencer Studio. So uh, this is all-in-one builder where you can create a fully original AI content. You control face and appearance, style and vibe, identity, personality, and motion expressions. So there are 90 plus parameters, which means your character is unique, not copied or generic. And this works for hyper realistic influencers, stylist characters, cinematic AI personals, or something the internet never seen before. The character is yours. So that's true. Now comes the most important part, the Higgsfield Earn. So here you can see this is the first ever monetization platform where creators earn directly from Higgsfield by uploading content. No client calls, no freelancing, no brand approvals. You need to upload your AI influencer style content that follows the campaign brief and you get paid. We are starting with AI influencer content and this will expand further. So this is perfect if you are a beginner creator, a student, a freelancer, or someone curious about AI but confused where to start. You don't need a big audience, a fancy camera, master in editing. You need creativity and consistency. So here's a simple workflow. So I'm going to create a AI character using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. So it's very simple to create. You just go to AI Influencer Studio and here you can see the new create new option. So just click it on and you can select the whatever type of character you want. I want a human or sorry, I want to create an octopus. So here I am going for octopus and go down and check which type of gender we want. I want to make it let's make a man. So and next we want the authenticity and origin base. So I'm going for Asian. So let's go for Asian. And skin color I'm going for green. Skin color, eye color I'm going for black solid. Okay, and skin conditions. So skin conditions I'm going for this one pigmentation. Pigmentation I'm going for pigmentation and adult. Okay. And no, I don't want this types. If you want to type advanced settings, you can see her face, body, style. You can customize this also, and human eyes or reptile eyes, whatever you want the eye style. And lips, tongue. I want to go for this. And ears, yes, I'm going for this. And horns, I don't need horns. Face skin material. So I'm going for this. And you can see here surface pattern. So let's go. So just this was final, and I'm going to generate it, and simply going to generate option and just click on generate, and that's it. So now it's being processed. Let's start the process. So need to wait for some seconds, and in progress. So it's too fast, I think. So we need to wait for a while. So these are the simple steps to create a AI influencer using Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. So generate a short form or long form video using this influencer, and you can upload it on your YouTube or Instagram or any other platforms. So that's it, and just submit the link inside Higgsfield Earn section. If it follow the brief, you will get paid. So that's it. So this one is the cleanest creator workflow I have seen in AI so far. So I hope you understand how you can create an AI influencer using this tool. And so let's be clear, this is not a magic money. You still need to follow the campaign brief, upload quality content, stay consistent. But if you are already experimenting with AI videos, this is no barrier opportunity. So that's it. Here you can see the image, AI influencer. So look at this. Okay, amazing. You can see the ears too, eyes, tongue, skin texture, all this amazing. So this was our AI character. So we are going to animate this using I'm going to for this video. So giving a motion like something like let's explore these motions. So we're going to exploring the motion. So let's check something. So we are going to create this. So I'm going to select this one motion, and that's it. Okay, you can see here. So high quality. You can set the quality higher, and just advance. If you want to create your own, you can also customize this in prompt also. So I'm not going for this. Simply tapping on this and simply generating this using this generate option. Just simple tap on generate, and that's it. So here you can see this video is in queue, so we need to wait for some seconds or a minute. So I think you already seen this one, and this also. These are all my videos. These all videos are already uploaded on my YouTube channel, so you can check this on my channel. And I will, if you want this to try, I'll put the links in below in my description, and you can also check the comment section. So pin comment, and if you found this useful, like the video, subscribe, and comment AI. I will reply. AI is the future of content creation. The early you start, the bigger the advantage. So that's the main point. If you start earlier, you will learn too many things. So in future, it's very, very useful. So I hope you will understand all things. So I'm going to fast forward this video. So So finally it's done. So let's check this video out. Okay.
Well, they seem to change. Don't you think it's strange? Oh, put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. You go ahead, let your head down. Oh, they seem to change.
Good. Try to make something more better. So let's go and create another influencer. So I hope you learned something how to create a AI influencer using AI, this Higgsfield AI Studio. I hope you learned so many things. So if you like this video, if you learn something, then like the video and subscribe my channel and also try Higgsfield AI influencer studio and make your own content and upload it on your social media and tag Higgsfield AI influencer studio, Higgsfield, and get paid using this website. And also one thing that Higgsfield don't have any mobile applications, so you need to, if you want to use mobile on your mobile, so you can go on Safari browser or anything, whatever browser you have, you just go on Safari, whatever is browser you have, you just go and search Higgsfield AI and create your own content and just upload it on your social media, YouTube, and share the link to Higgsfield and get paid from them. So that's it, today's video. So thank you for watching.